welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Allison. This is Wonder Crochet, and today I am going to show you everything that I've crocheted in the last 3 months. It's still kind of the middle of April, so I don't have that much crocheted so far. I have a lot of works in progress, but I'll show you what I have done thus far. If you like what you see here today, please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know what you want to see next. I do a lot of crochet tutorials and just fun videos like this. Also, if you would like to learn how to crochet amigurumi, I have a full online course. I'll link it in the description below, where you can learn how to make anything at all, and you can make pretty much anything you see here today. So let's jump in. So I'm going to start with the first thing that I crocheted in February, which was this Winnie the Pooh backpack. And it has a working zipper. As you can see, I have a lot of animal backpacks. I started doing them because I liked the Animal Crossing ones that you can get in the game. Here, I'll put this on so you can see how cute it is. Look at that! I've always been a big Winnie the Pooh fan. My room when I was growing up was Winnie the Pooh themed. So I was like, I'm an adult, I can make a Winnie the Pooh backpack. And you know, I actually went to Disney World in February and I didn't bring this because it wouldn't fit in my suitcase. But next time I definitely will. And all these patterns I will also link in the description. I think I have patterns for almost everything that I am showing here today, so I will link that as well. So that's the first thing for February. I had to write down everything that I wrote. I looked through my Instagram to check everything that I made. Oh, this is a cute one. So February was a big Disney month because, like I said, I went to Disney World. It was for my birthday. I won't tell you how old I am. I made this little Figment. If you are a Disney fan, you know Figment. You either love him or you hate him. It's okay. And this was the time with the crazy Figment popcorn bucket debacle where people were waiting like 6 hours in line to get this popcorn bucket. So I decided to crochet Figment, and I gave him a little Mickey balloon and little Mickey ears. And he has wings and a tail. Yeah, this was a cute one. The pattern for this is available on my website. I'm not going to keep saying that because I'm going to link them all down below, so look for the patterns below. But Figment. Moving right along with the Disney theme is Orange Bird. This is actually probably one of my favorite patterns that I've made. I'm a big Orange Bird fan. I mean, I'm a big Disney fan, but right now the Flower and Garden Festival is going on, and he's kind of the mascot for it. Like Figment was the mascot for the art festival, and so I had to make him, and every time I look at him, I want a citrus swirl. So this next one is actually not Disney. It is this fluffy ice cream cone. I actually made this one because I partnered up with Ribbler, and I made this as a free pattern for their site. And look how cute it is. So for this one, I actually mixed 2 yarns together. So I crocheted this Premier Parfait Chunky yarn with the Red Heart Super Saver stripes. My yarns are falling apart. It's a mess. So I crocheted those together to create this little look here, and I love it. I want to do that with more. I did that with a squeakoid from Animal Crossing, and I just love the look of it, so I wanted to do it again. This next one was a crowd favorite. I was playing Pokemon Arceus a lot, so I made Rowlet, and I made it with Premier Parfait Chunky fluffy yarn. And I just love him. He's so cute. If you're a Pokemon Arceus fan, let me know. Also, let me know what other Pokemon I should make. I haven't made that many. I've made them mostly for my husband because he loves Pokemon, but I do too. So let me know what you want to see next. That was actually everything for February, so we can move right into March. And the first thing I made in March was this star purse. So it's the Animal Crossing purses, and I wanted to make this star one first. It's more of a coin purse because actually my niece put a bunch of coins in here because it's so small, the opening here, but it's cute for a little coin purse. You definitely can't fit a cell phone or anything in there, but this is what it looks like on. Honestly, it's really cute. I haven't worn it in public yet, but I definitely want to. And it actually matches my outfit really well today. So the next thing I made, you probably saw it sitting up here on the shelf, is the Duolingo owl. I don't know if you have the Duolingo app, if you are learning a new language. I've learned Spanish my whole life, so I'm just brushing up on Spanish with the app. And I also am learning Japanese, which is very, very difficult. But I love the Duolingo TikToks. I think it's unhinged and hilarious, so I had to make a little plush. And this one will be available as a free pattern on my blog. I just have to finish typing it up. So the next thing I made in March was another backpack. This is Stitches from Animal Crossing, one of my favorite characters. And it also has a working zipper, just like the Winnie the Pooh backpack, and can fit quite a bit. Like, you can definitely fit your cell phone and wallet and keys in there. But I love this one so much, and all of the yarn is Premier Parfait Chunky. I love the colors. And there he is, just hanging on. I love these backpacks. I don't think I'll ever stop making them. But you can actually buy this one on my website right now. I just listed it. Moving into springtime, still in March, I made this little bunny rabbit with a carrot. I love this little one, except his mouth ended up looking like a mustache. Look at that. I think I should have put more space there, but too late now. I named him Benji the bunny. He's available on my website as well. The next one that I made in March was this little strawberry bear. Strawberry, if you will. He has a little strawberry hat holding a strawberry. I love this one. I know that the whole animal as fruits theme might be a little bit overdone, but this is the first one I made and I love it, and I'll probably do more. I don't care if it's overdone. It's cute. This next one is the last thing I made in March, and it might be the best thing I've ever made, the best thing I will ever make, is this Kirby purse. It's a crossbody bag, and it also has a working zipper. This one's actually big enough to fit cell phone, keys, wallet. It can fit like the bigger Max iPhones. It just makes me happy looking at it. I love it. I love the way it looks. So for April, I only have 3 things made so far. I have a lot of works in progress that I'll definitely finish by the end of the month. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see them. But this one I actually saw in a claw machine, was this little Shiba dressed up as different things. There was also a dinosaur one, a unicorn one. I loved the bumblebee one with the little bag. I think I'm gonna do more of these. I think I'm going to do the unicorn and the dinosaur. Let me know which one I should do next in the comments, but I just love this one. Going along with the spring and the Kirby. So I have this thing where I make a different Kirby based on the holiday or the season. I made one with a Santa hat. I made like a Valentine's Day one. This is my spring one. He's a flower crown and he's holding a succulent. And I have a flower tutorial for these exact flowers on my YouTube channel. I'll definitely be making one for every season. Let me know what I should do for the summer Kirby. I'm thinking maybe like an inner tube, sunglasses. Let me know what you want to see. The last finished item that I have for April is this frog. It's a frog print. I made the eyes with my Cricut. I actually did it for a collab with Cricut, which I'm super excited about. I'll be posting that to my TikTok, so you'll be able to see that. But I'll do a tutorial for the eyes if you want to see that, how to make these in different eyes. But this was actually a redo of one of my old patterns. Let me grab it. So I made this for my online course, Learn How to Crochet Amigurumi for Beginners. It's one of the patterns that you get at the end when you finish the course, and I actually just redid it with Bernat blanket yarn, and it's so much bigger. I can't get over how much bigger it is. And I love the teal color too. It's super cute. So that is everything I crocheted for the last 3 months. If you'd like me to continue this series, let me know. Let me know what you want to see next. Give me a follow. Give me a follow on Instagram to see everything that I'm making, and check out my website for all my patterns and finished plushes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.